Hello, welcome to this new tutorial on demo content import of Sasby app landing and Saas WordPress theme. For this, go to the Appearance theme. To add new theme, click on Upload Theme. And for choosing file, look for exact zip file of Sasby app landing and Saas WordPress theme. Click on Install Now. It will take few seconds to be done. Now click on Activate and get a list of required plugins to begin installing plugins. And select all the plugins to install and click on Apply. While done, click on Return to Required Plugins Installer and again select All to activate, then Apply. Now back to the dashboard. Go to the Appearance, then Import Demo Data. This is the interface. There are two types of import: manual import, auto import. And under this auto import, you can import all these demos. Click any one of it to continue and import content. Keep some patience to complete importing content. Now click Visit Site to view. Sasby WordPress theme is designed for app landing and Saas website. It offers a sleek and modern look, ideal for showcasing mobile apps for software products. It includes features like Elementor Page Builder, multiple homepage layouts, and SEO-friendly design. This theme is fully responsive, WooCommerce compatible, and supports one-click demo imports, and making it easy for users to create professional landing pages with minimal effort. Thank you for watching.